Hello children, we are learning linear equation in one variable chapter. In this chapter there are total 4 topics. So at present we are in the fourth topic, that is reducing equation to simpler form. So on yesterday I gave 3 problems for homework. The first question is 4 by 3 minus x. So here the variable is on LHS side, so then minus x equals to 8 by 9 and 4 by 3 transpose to RHS side minus 4 by 3. So minus x equals to the 9 comma 3 LCM is 9 because 9 is a multiple of 3. So then 8 minus 9 in 3 table. So 3 3s are 9, so 3 into 4. So it is equals to minus x equals to 8 minus 3 minus 4 is 12 divided by 9. So minus x equals to 8 minus 12 is minus 4 by 9. So finally minus minus cancel, then x equals to 4 by 9. So our answer is x equals to 4 by 9. Next, second question, 1 whole 2 by 3 plus 2 whole 5 by 8 equals to t. 1 whole 2 by 3 is an improper fraction, so 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 6 by 3 plus 8 2s are 16 plus 5 is 21 by 8 equals to t. So now the denominators are 3 and 8. 3 and 8 both are different terms, so then their LCM is 3 8s are 24. 24 in 3 table 8s are, so 8 into 5 plus 24 in 8 table 3s are, 3 into 21 equals to t. 8 5s are 40 plus 3 21s are 63 divided by 24 equals to t. 40 plus 63 is 103 divided by 24. It is equals to t. So our required answer is t equals to 103 divided by 24. Next, third question, y plus 19 by 4 equals to 5 by 6. So y it is already in LHS side, then 19 by 4 transpose to RHS side. So 5 by 6 minus 19 by 4. So now the LCM of 6 comma 4. So LCM of 6 comma 4 both are coming in 2 table. 2 3s are, 2 2s are. So now 3 and 2 consecutive numbers. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12 is a LCM. So 12 in 6 table 2s are 2 into numerator 2 into 5 minus 12 in 4 table 3s are 3 into numerator 3 into 19. So 2 5s are, so 2 5s are 10 minus 3 19s are 57 divided by 12. It is equals to 10 minus 57 is minus 47 by 12. So any cancellation? So no cancellation. So y value minus 47 divided by 12. So children, in the previous class we completed first problem and fifth problem. So let us do the second problem. See here second, third. So here question number we are given wrongly, that is third question. Second, third, fourth and sixth. So these are questions, similar questions, because the variable is in LHS side. So let us go to second question, that is x by 3 minus x by 4 equals to 14. So here in LHS side variable is already there. So but we have a denominator. So 3 comma 4 LCM is 12 is a LCM because 3 and 4 both are consecutive numbers. So then their LCM is their product. So 12 in 3 table 4 is 4 into numerator 4 into x minus 12 in 4 table 3 is 3 into numerator 3 into x equals to 14. 4 into x is 4x minus 3 into x is 3x divided by 12 equals to 14. 4x minus 3x equals to how much? Yes, x divided by 12 equals to 14. So now to get the x value, denominator 12 transposed to RHS side, so x equals to 14 and it will multiply with RHS. Now 14 12s are 14 into 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 8, 6, 1. So x equals to 168. So our required answer is 168. Next, third question, z by 2 plus z by 3 minus z by 6 equals to 8. Okay, so here the LCM of 2, 3, 6. Let us do the LCM. The 3. So in which table the 3 numbers are coming? So no table, but 2 and 6 both are coming in 2 tables. So first I am taking the 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 3 is not coming in 2 table, so then write as it is. 6 is coming in 2 table, it is 3 is a, so 3 2s are 6. Now take the 3 table, so 1 will come as it is, 3 1s are 3, next 3 1s are 3. So then the LCM is, what is LCM? 2 3 is a 6 is a LCM. So now 6 in 2 table. So when we'll get the 6 in 2 table, 3 is a 3 into numerator. What is the numerator? Z. Next symbol plus 6 in 3 table. When we'll get 6 in 3 table, 2 is a 2 into numerator, 2 into Z. Next 6 in 6 table, 6 1s are 6. So then numerator will come as it is. So it is equals to what? 8. So now 3 into z is 3z plus 2 into z is 2z minus z divided by 6 equals to 8. Now 3z plus 2z, 3z plus 2z is 5z minus z divided by 6 equals to 8. 5z minus z is 4z divided by 6 equals to 8. So now 4z is equals to 8 into 6 because 6 is dividing. So transpose to RHS side. Then z equals to 8 into 6 by 4. 8 into 6 by 4. So any cancellation here, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then z equals to 2 into 6 and denominator is 1, so no need to write. Then z equals to 2 6 are 12. So the required answer is 12. So next fourth question, 2p by 3 minus p by 5 equals to 11 whole 2 by 3. So here the LCM of 3 comma 5, 3 and 5 both are prime numbers, so then their LCM is their product. So 3 5s are 15. So now 15 in 3 table, 15 in 3 table, 5s are 5 into numerator, 5 into 2p minus 15 in 5 table, 3s are 3 into numerator, 3 into p equals to 11 whole 2 by 3. It is a mixed fraction, so convert into improper fraction form. So 3 11s are 33. 33 plus 2 is 35 divided by 3. Now 5 into 2p is 10p minus 3 into p is 3p divided by 15 equals to 35 by 3. So 10p minus 3p is 7p divided by 15 equals to 35 by 3. So 35 by 3. So now 7p equals to 35 by 3. 15 transpose to RHS side, then it will go to denominator place. Then p equals to 35 by 3 into 15, and p is multiplying, so when you transposing to RHS side, then it will go to denominator place. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, 3 ones are 3 fives are 15. Then p equals to 5 into 5, then p value 5 fives are 25. So our required answer is 25. Next, coming to sixth problem, x by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 equals to 1 by 5. So here variables are left side, but one constant is in the left side, so you transpose to RHS side. So x by 2 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 equals to 1 by 5, 1 by 5. So minus 4 by 5 transpose to RHS side, then it will become plus 4 by 5. So now we have a total 3 denominators left side, 2, 5, 10. So let us find out the LCM of 2, 5, 10. So here 2, 5 and 10. So the 3 numbers are coming in any table all together? No, they are not coming in any table, but 2 and 10 both are coming in 5 table, sorry 2 table. So 2 ones are 2 and here 5 will come as it is because 5 is not coming in 2 table. 2 5s are 10. Now last 2 numbers are coming in 5 table. So 1, 1, 1. So then the LCM is, what is the LCM answer? 2 into 5. So it is equals to 10. 2 5s are 10. So the LCM of 2, 5, 10 is 10. So here take the LCM 10. First denominator is 2. 10 in 2 table is 5. So 5 into numerator. So 5 into x. Next symbol plus. Next 10 in 5 table 2s are 2 into numerator. Next symbol plus. Next denominator 10. Here LCM also 10. Then numerator will come as it is. So that is 3x equals to. Next coming to RHS side both denominators are same, then very simple 5 and add the numerators as it is. 5 into x is 5x plus 2 into x is 2x plus 3x divided by 10 equals to 1 plus 4, answer is 5 by 5. So now numerator 5x plus 2x plus 3x all are positive terms. So 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. So 10x divided by 10 equals to 5 by 5, answer is exactly 1. Here 10, 10 cancel, then x equals to 1. So our required answer is 1. So next coming to seventh problem, that is x by 2 minus 1 by 4 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. X by 2 minus 1 by 4 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. So observe the question, here the variable is in the LHS and RHS. So that is why write variable LHS side and constants RHS side. So LHS side already one variable is there, that is x by 2. One more variable is, that is x by 3, so transpose to RHS side. So then it is equals to minus x by 3. Next to constant numbers, 1 by 2 is a constant number. First we have to write the RHS side constant number. Next to LHS side constant number minus 1 by 4. So plus 1 by 4. So now variables LHS side and constants RHS side. Now let us find out the LCM of 2, 3. They are serial numbers, so then LCM is their product. So that is 2 3s are 6. 6 in 2 table is 3s are, so 3 into numerator minus 6 in 3 table 2s are, 2 into numerator. It is equals to 2, 4 LCM 2 4. Both are coming in 2 table, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So then the LCM is 4. Now 4 in 2 table 2s are, 2 into numerator plus 4 in 4 table 1s are, 1 into numerator is 1 itself. So now 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is x divided by, so what is the denominator? 6 is the denominator. It is equals to RHS side 2 1s are 2 plus 1 divided by 4. So x by 6 equals to 2 plus 1 is 3 by 4. So x by 6, then x equals to 3 by 4. 6 is in denominator place, so then it will multiply with the numerator. So now any cancellation here? Yes, 4 and 6 both are coming in 2 tables. So 2 3s are, 2 2s are. So it is equals to 3 into 3 divided by 2. So 3 3s are 9 divided by 2. So our answer is 9 by 2. Yeah, children, coming to example 17, solve x by 2 minus 1 by 4 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Do you think this question was repeated? Yes, it is already completed in the exercise, that is 7th problem. See, x by 2 minus 1 by 4 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. So the question was repeated. Now coming to homework, so I am giving 4 questions for homework. Solve the following. So the first question is, 2 by 3x minus 1 by 2x equals to 4 is the first question. Next, second question, x by 2 minus 1 equals to 2 by 3x minus 2. So this is a second question. Next, third question, x by 3 minus x by 9 equals to 7x by 6 minus 5 whole 2 by 3. 5 whole 2 by 3. Next, fourth question, 3 by 4x minus 1 equals to x by 2 plus 4. So these are the 4 questions. Find out the x value in each question. So what we have learned in this class, we learned the topic is reducing equation to simpler form, and we completed few more problems in this class. So number of homework questions is 4. So send your homework through WhatsApp. Thank you.